Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I know it's a very long time that I posted a video on YouTube. So today I decided to make a quick tip for maintaining your bike in a brand new condition. As you can see, my bike has been covered in mud. It's because it's been constantly raining in Bangalore, and how much ever I try to wash my bike, it is getting covered in mud after all. But letting your bike soak in mud for longer time, it can cause a lot of rusting issues. So today, that since it is Sunday, I decided to clean my bike and also show you some quick tips and tricks to maintain your motorcycle properly. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, let's get our motorcycle water washed. Let's crank. Usually I suggest you to wash your motorcycle by yourself, but since I want to make the process a little bit quicker, I'm getting it water washed from nearby local service center. So let's visit the place and get my bike water washed. Alright, we have reached the place. Let's take my bike in. From here, you enjoy the washing process. Alright, the first thing that I'm checking here is the chain free play. You can see the chain is been pretty much loose here, and we need to adjust the free play on the first place. Make sure that the adjuster place marking on the both side match. If you don't set both the adjuster place equally, then your wheel alignment will be out and you will be having a irregular wear and tear of your tires. Once both the adjusters are set properly, check your chain free play, and if it is adequate, we can move forward and tighten the wheel nut. Now next, let's lube the chain properly. Do not start your motorcycle, always rotate the wheels using your hands and focus spraying the lubricant on the O-rings itself. Once the chain lube is properly sprayed on one set of O-rings, move on to the next one as shown. Next, as shown in my previous videos, I've been using this Formula 1 Canberra wax for protecting my motorcycle painted surface. I have made a detailed video on this, and the link for which will be displayed in the iCard above. You need to apply a thin layer of this Canberra wax and let it soak on the painted surface for a couple of minutes. While it's drying, we can focus on polishing the other parts. So in this case, I'm using this Napco's plastic restoration product, which I have already showcased and did giveaway in my channel, and I'll be using this to restore my plastic panels completely. So if you have noticed, my bike got diesel washed, and during that time there's a chance that diesel might have sprayed onto the disc brakes. So this will cause disc slippage and it will in turn affect the braking performance. So I'm using this disc brake cleaner from TVS. Just spray the adequate amount of disc brake cleaner onto the disc directly and just use a clean piece of cloth to wipe it down. You can also spray some disc brake cleaner onto the microfiber cloth itself and then wipe the disc surface as shown. Now next, let's move on to lubricating all the moving pivot points. Spray some WD-40 between these links and move it couple of times to free and make the WD-40 penetrate to all the nooks and corners. Always make sure that you wipe off the excess lubricant, as it might collect dirt and grime over the longer run. Repeat the same process for the side stand too. And don't forget to wipe off the excess lubricant as shown. This is the best time you can check all the nut and bolts which might come out loose over the longer period of time. In this case, you can see my main stand bolt has been loose, and regular checkups will help to maintain your motorcycle properly and to avoid any losing or even protect you from big danger if you constantly check all the fasteners on a motorcycle. If your motorcycle has a crash guard, check the fasteners, as it might come out loose due to motorcycle vibrations. You can clearly see my gear lever bolt has been come out loose, and I'm very lucky to find this one loose, as it might be fallen out if I was riding my motorcycle even for a couple of kilometers. This is the reason it is very important to have a constant checkup done on your motorcycle even though you're getting it serviced on time. Now the finally two important things that you shouldn't miss out is adjusting your clutch free play followed by adjusting your throttle free play. Once this is done, your bike is good to rock.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.